Good morning, dear children. Welcome all of you to this video session. Children, let's discuss the chapter Measures of Central Tendency in this module. So, we have already discussed about the different measures of central tendency. And once again, let me define the measures of central tendency. Actually, it is a convenient way of describing a set of scores with a single number that describes the performance of the group. So, already I have mentioned about in our day to day life, we have to solve various problems. So, here also, some problems that we have to represent as a large data. So here, this measures of central tendency actually facilitates us to solve the complex into a simple one using a single numbers which represents the entire data. And the three commonly used measures of central tendency are mean, median, and mode. And we have already discussed about the mean, median, and mode for the ungrouped data. And once again, let me tell you about this formula to find out mean. X bar equals sigma x by n. And if its corresponding frequencies are given, what is the formula? Yes, x bar equals sigma fx by n. F is the its corresponding frequencies of each variable. So that is sigma fx by n. Next, we will discuss about the steps in solving mean for the grouped data. So here, that is, there are difference between the grouped data as well as the ungrouped data. So I told you that we have to find the solutions for the large data, isn't it? That means which is having, yes, large size. So for that we have to group the data into various class intervals according to its magnitude. So here the various steps are given to find the mean for the grouped data. First of all, we have to find the midpoint or the class mark of each class or category using the formula xm equals L plus Lu by 2. Multiply the frequency and the corresponding class mark. Find the sum of the results in step 2 and solve the mean using the formula. So here x bar equals sigma fxm by n. So here at first we have to find out the corresponding what class mark, and with that we have to multiply its frequencies and we have to find the results. Just I will explain, it's a numerical problem. Here the scores of the 40 students in a science class consist of 60 items and they are tabulated below. So here we can see, children, that is the various class intervals are given. And according to the scores of the 40 students that we have categorized into different class intervals. So here we can see the minimum number is 10 and the maximum number here it is 54. So according to its magnitude, we have categorized into various class intervals and its corresponding frequencies are given, isn't it? Its corresponding frequencies are also given and its sum is small letter n equals 40. Here, next one is XM. XM is given, that is 12, 17, 22, 27, 32. Various values are given. So that is what we have to do that. For that, we have to, find out the F values and the XM values for that. So next, we have to find out the mid values of all the class intervals. So that is given under the XM. So here we can see 10 to 14 means what is the mid value? M is 12, right? Yes. Then what is the next class interval? 15 to 19. Here the mid value is 17. And 20 to 24, 22, 25 to 29, 27, 30 to 34, 32, 35 to 39, 37. So on like 42, 47 and 52. So these are the mid values of all class intervals. Then what is the next step? That is to, we have to multiply the bit values with its corresponding frequencies. So here mid value is 12. We have to multiply with its corresponding frequency 5. So 12 into 5 is here 60. 2 into 17, 34. 3 into 22 is 66. So like that, 5 into 27, 2 into 32, 9 into 37, 6 into 42, 3 into 47 and 5 into 52. So these are the different values for the which one? Yes, at last we got the sum as what is this? 1345. So sigma FXM equals 1345. Now we have to calculate the mean. X bar equals sigma FXM divided by n. That is 1345 divided by 40. We know that the small value n equals 40. So what is the particular answer for that? 33.63. So this is the answer for the this data. 33.63 is the mean for this which one? Grouped data. So children, this is the way how we have to calculate the mean for the grouped data. So in our previous class we have discussed about the mean, how to find mean for the ungrouped data. There, class intervals are not given. In a large data, we have to group that data into different class intervals and we have to calculate the mean using its corresponding frequencies. So children, I hope this session related to finding the mean for the group data is clear for you. Thank you children for watching this video.